Hello everyone, this is Sharam from LEARNACON, and in this video I am going to give you a simplified overview of Microsoft Azure IoT Hub. Azure IoT Hub is a cloud-based platform developed by Microsoft to support Internet of Things or IoT solutions. It serves as a centralized system for managing connected devices and processing IoT data within the Microsoft Azure ecosystem. It provides reliable device-to-cloud and cloud-to-device messaging with per-device security credentials and scales to support vast numbers of connected devices. In a factory environment, Azure IoT Hub functions as a central communication hub between IoT devices and cloud-based applications. It enables secure and scalable data exchange, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases across various industries, such as manufacturing, healthcare, and smart cities. Azure IoT Hub offers a range of features that makes it suitable for managing large-scale IoT deployments. Key features include bidirectional communication, which allows devices to send telemetry data to the cloud and receive commands or notification in return. Azure IoT Hub enables device monitoring, control, and management, making it a critical component in IoT solutions. Also, secure authentication and access control to ensure data integrity and privacy. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with other Azure services such as Azure Analytics for real-time insights and operational efficiency, and Azure Digital Twins for advanced data processing and automation workflows. These capabilities enable organizations to build robust and scalable IoT solutions across a diverse range of industries. Azure IoT Hub supports three main communication protocols for device connectivity: AMQP, MQTT, and HTTP. Each protocol has its own strengths and use cases depending on the device capabilities and network conditions. MQTT is lightweight and efficient for low bandwidth, high latency networks. It's ideal for constrained devices and intermittent connections. MQTT uses publish-subscribe model and is supported natively by Azure IoT Hub. AMQP is more robust and feature-rich than MQTT. It is suitable for enterprise-grade devices and applications. AMQP supports bidirectional communication and message queuing and is often used in gateways or backend services. HTTP is a simple and widely supported protocol and is best for infrequent or one-way communication. HTTP is less efficient for real-time or continuous data exchange and is useful for devices that cannot support MQTT or AMQP. But how Azure IoT Hub uses these protocols? Devices can choose the protocol that best fits their capabilities. Protocols are mainly used for device-to-cloud telemetry, cloud-to-device command, and device-to-in updates. As a rule of thumb, it is recommended to use MQTT for lightweight battery-powered devices, AMQP for reliable high-throughput messaging, and HTTP only when necessary, for example, legacy systems. Symmetric key authentication is a widely used method for securing IoT devices, especially those with limited computational resources. In Azure IoT Hub, each device is assigned a unique ID along with the primary and secondary symmetric key. These keys are used to generate shared access signature or SAS tokens, which authenticate the device when it connects to the IoT Hub. The use of both primary and secondary keys allows for seamless key rotations, enhancing security without disrupting device operations. Symmetric key authentication is straightforward to implement and provides a reliable mechanism for device identity verification. Azure IoT Hub uses shared access signature or SAS tokens to authenticate devices via symmetric keys. The authentication process follows a secure sequence. First, IoT Hub provides a symmetric key that will be saved on the device. Then the device generates a SAS token by hashing the IoT Hub resource URI and an expiry timestamp using its symmetric key. This token is sent to IoT Hub during the connection attempt. IoT Hub verifies the token's signature and checks that it hasn't expired. If validation succeeds, the device is granted access and can securely communicate with the cloud. This method ensures that only authorized devices can connect to the IoT Hub. The inclusion of expiry times enhances security by limiting the token's validity period, helping maintain the integrity of the IoT ecosystem. This setup offers the benefit of easy deployment. However, the downside is that if a device is compromised, an attacker could continue generating SAS tokens using the stored symmetric key until the device is disabled or the keys are rotated. To maintain secure communication between devices and Azure IoT Hub, several best practices should be followed. For authenticating, Azure IoT Hub supports two symmetric keys per device, a primary key and a secondary key. Key rotation is the process of periodically regenerating and replacing primary and secondary security keys. Key rotation should be performed regularly, like on a monthly basis, and devices must be updated to use the newly generated key. This is typically done by switching to the secondary key while regenerating the primary or vice versa. SAS token lifetimes should be kept short to minimize the risk of token misuse. Devices should store symmetric keys securely, preferably in a secure enclave or trusted platform module, which is called TPM. A secure enclave is a protected area of device processor that isolates sensitive data and operations from the rest of the system. It ensures that even if the operating system is compromised, the keys remain safe. A TPM is a dedicated hardware chip designed to securely store cryptographic keys and perform security-related operations. These practices help safeguard the IoT infrastructure against unauthorized access and potential vulnerabilities. Now let's have a look at the real-world application of Microsoft Azure IoT Hub. SGS Company, a global leader in inspection and certification, collaborated with Microsoft Azure to create an IoT solution for wind turbine monitoring. Deployed at the Three Gorges Yangjiang offshore wind farm, one of the world's largest, this solution helps with powering 2.4 million households with enhanced efficiency and predictive maintenance. Leveraging Azure IoT Hub and a few other Azure services, it tracks turbine oil condition and level using data from sensors measuring over 17 parameters across 315 wind turbines. Instead of following a prescribed schedule for oil changes, wind farm operators now change oil only when data shows it is needed. This greatly reduces unnecessary oil changes and recycling challenges. Okay, that was an overview of Microsoft Azure IoT Hub. I hope you learned something new. If you found this video helpful, I would like to ask you to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more similar contents. Thanks for watching and see you next time.